Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth with your GLI. First, ensure your GLI's ignition is on and the infotainment system is fully active. Next, keep your mobile device within about 3 feet of the vehicle's center console for optimal signal strength. Then, navigate to the Bluetooth settings menu directly on your GLI's touchscreen display. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pairing process, preparing both your car and phone for connection. Now that your GLI is ready, select Add New Device or Pair Device from the car's Bluetooth menu. Simultaneously, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and initiate a scan for available devices. You should see your GLI's name appear on your phone screen, often labeled as VW GLI or sometimes simply My Car. This step links your phone to the vehicle's discoverable signal, moving us closer to a full connection. Once you see your GLI's name on your phone, tap it to begin the pairing sequence. A 6-digit PIN will then be displayed on both your phone and the GLI's infotainment screen. It is important to confirm that these two numbers match exactly before proceeding. Allow a few seconds, typically 5 to 10, for the devices to establish a secure and stable connection. A confirmation message will appear on both screens. Congratulations! With your devices now connected, you can seamlessly stream audio from your phone and make hands-free calls through your GLI's sound system. For future convenience, ensure your phone's Bluetooth remains enabled. It will automatically reconnect when you enter the vehicle. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the GLI's infotainment system often resolves most minor glitches, ensuring a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.